Yeah, what a great day.
Oh man, I can't even walk.
It's raining tacos.
I need to investigate this mess. Oh god, what's that glowing thing?
Greetings, contestants. You may wonder why you're here.
What's that?
Probably something stupid.
Don't be rude, Halo. Hello, I am Blue Screen. I will tell you why Witchy came to host a contest. Witchy was born with so much power. He can even rule Earth if he wanted to. When he said he wanted to give away his power, over millions and billions of people wanted it. The person with the power can kill people, and even destroy the world.
Gum Gum, Witchy's a great hat with some powers. Is that really you?
I heard about this guy, give me your powers.
It seems like everyone wants powers.
Yes. So, the first challenge is to create this simple potion. Ready? Go.
Guys, I am an expert at making a potion. But this is solo, so yeah, good luck.
Just get over it.
I will try my best, I guess.
I am done.
Okay. I think we should just put it right here.
You know I'm not gonna do this, Slim. Just use my power.
Fluffle, Crescent, Halo. You guys are the only ones that made the potion. Please put your potion on the machine, right there.
Fluffle's potion is the right one.
This is what happened to the other contestants. Viewers, vote to eliminate a contestant with a square bracket. The person with the most votes will leave the show. Make your one vote count.